In this tutorial, I will show you how to make use of the drip campaign feature inside GPT Connect. Drip campaigns are a great way to automate notification to your leads by sending them sequences of valuable content over a period of time. To begin, we first create our drip content using our Flow Builder. For this simulation, we will create 3 template content represented by 3 flows. Next, we go to Tools. Select Drip Campaign and add a new campaign. Here, we will set up the content to be used for our drip campaign and set the time interval for the content to be sent out. Drip campaigns allows business to send scheduled content to users on a uniform and timely basis. Once done, click Save. We go back to our Flow Builder and set up our drip campaign trigger. Add a flow. On our first message block, we will ask the user if they intend to join our drip campaign. If yes, we proceed to a new message block, add content, go to Actions, click Subscribe to Drip Campaign and select which campaign to use. If no, end the conversation with a message block. Once done, click Publish. Time to test our drip campaign. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Got questions and need support? Our amazing help support team is here for you. You'll find our support hotline on the description box below. Thanks for choosing GPT Connect. We're here to help.